Oh, you better get back and
Yes, yes, thank you.
How's it going? You okay? You having a good day?
Yes, oh yeah.
Yeah.
I've been waiting to come down here for ages.
Oh,
I follow your YouTube channel.
thank you very
Amazing.
much. Dan here's the one that films it all.
Oh.
And edits it all. So it's really
Brilliant.
good.
Oh, I tell you, it's fantastic.
Yeah.
I like when you were doing the Jeep and the Vespa.
That's it. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Have you seen what we're doing with the Vespa?
Yeah.
The giveaway. Yeah. It's doing really well. It's up to like 18,000.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Brilliant, I know.
We've got a couple of weeks left.
nice to see the sandblasters here as well.
Yeah, that's it. My little
Brilliant watching
sandblaster.
that.
Yeah. The rest of the was here like a couple of weeks ago, but I've taken it back now. So yeah, good. You enjoying all the?
Oh,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah,
brilliant.
it's been a nice day.
Have you seen the Australian version?
They're just starting up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They might have been locked down again.
Is it really?
Got a few pictures. They've got the same sign, haven't they?
Yeah, yeah, but not as good as this, though. You know, this is, you
The
know,
original.
yeah.
You can't beat this one. Yeah.
Do you prefer being outside a lot?
Well, I'm in here now. See that
Oh.
door that's open there?
Yeah,
So
okay.
I'm still outside.
Right.
Still do like welding and grinding and noisy
Yeah.
loud stuff outside. And
Yeah.
I'm working on something big.
Oh, right.
But when day to day, like other things, I'm in that cupboard. I've got that to myself.
Oh,
So
wow.
I've got an upgrade.
Oh,
Yeah, I've got my own little workshop in there now.
oh. Jay will come and help you.
Yeah, so he does. He's always helping.
Bless him, yeah.
Yeah, no, he's
Yeah.
He's good.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah,
Is
it's
Steve
good stuff.
around then, is he?
Steve's here.
Will?
Bears are here. Two bear ladies.
Oh, yeah. They come over, yeah.
We missed them. Didn't
They come
we?
over to say hello.
We're all on lunch now, so
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Because you shot off.
Ah.
Yeah.
Did you get
Selena.
the teddy bear lady?
Yeah, they come over again.
Ah,
I'm in-
no.
I'm a little, yeah.
Susie?
Steve, no, Susie's not here.
It's not really
No,
we just
I've seen
started.
Steve, yeah,
We've been
yeah.
here for- since yesterday, so we're just getting
Yeah.
back
Missed
into
the
it.
teddy bear lady.
You haven't missed them, they'll be around.
Yeah, they're actually walking. They've just gone off for a walk.
What's the biggest thing you've done on your YouTube then? The Jeep, anything, you got anything else coming?
The Vespa was the first thing.
Yeah, that's right, it
Defender out
was,
the front.
yeah.
There's
Yeah.
always two Defender that's out the front. I'm going to do that
Oh,
hopefully next.
yeah,
I've got to finish
okay,
that
yeah.
coffee. You know the Defender.
Yeah,
coffee
yeah,
van.
that's right, I saw that, yeah.
I'll
Excellent.
finish that first, that Defender. and
Oh,
then I'll go
brilliant.
to the Land Rover, try and do that. And
Oh,
who knows,
Land Rover.
really? Who knows?
That's it.
Is that the Ranelagh project?
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
big
yeah.
as well. That's a big. That's an
Fantastic,
expensive thing, so
yeah.
It's kind of holding me up
Oh, wait.
financially.
Oh.
yeah,
Well done, yeah, no,
yeah, but it's all going well. Yeah, we enjoy doing it.
that's good. Yeah. I enjoy watching it. Really good.
Thank you. Yeah, I wish I could do more, but there's a lot of work goes
But
into
you're
it.
busy here, I know.
Yeah, we're busy here. Dan's obviously here full time as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm really only doing it sort of like evenings, weekends, and whenever we can. A lot of work goes into that one sort of like 15-minute video. It
Yeah,
takes a
yeah.
long
Oh,
time,
yeah,
so,
I know, I know. I
yeah, I'd
know.
love to do more, but just don't have time. Yeah. Very good.
Thank you anyway. Thank you very much for
Thank you.
talking.
Nice to see
You take care.
Thank you.
Bye.